Today we're going from this to this. Let's make our own air-fried potato chips. First, we're gonna peel our potatoes. And then we're gonna slice them. Next, you want to soak the potatoes in cold water for 30 minutes and then rinse them out. After this, you are going to dry them really well. Make sure to dry your bowl as well so that you don't re-wet your potatoes. Then you want to drizzle it in oil and your favorite seasonings. For me, I just use salt. When preparing your pan for the air fryer, you can overlap the potatoes some. Just make sure it's not more than 2 on top of each other. Set it to 325, and we're going to go for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want to check them every 5 minutes and make sure that you're moving them around or flipping them over to make sure they're getting enough air. Some will start to get crispier than others, so I'll just take those out first and then put the rest back in. And voila, they are done. I may be biased, but these definitely taste better than the store-bought potato chips. Make sure to follow for more recipes like this.